In today's video, I'm going to teach you adjust text and element timing in Canva. We'll build a simple sequence of on-screen text that appears one after another, and make sure everything lines up with your background so your video feels polished and intentional. First, open a video template in Canva. Any template will work, so pick one that matches your style or brand. Once the editor loads, we'll add our first text. Click the text tool and insert a heading so it's easy to read. Type in your first line of copy. Keep it concise. Short phrases tend to look cleaner in motion. Next, change the text color to something that contrasts with your background. Use your brand color or a high contrast shade so it remains legible. Then resize the text. You can drag the corner handles or use the font size control until it looks balanced on screen. After that, reposition the text by dragging it into place. Canva's smart guides help you center it or align it with other elements for a consistent layout. Now let's set the timing. Look down at the timeline at the bottom. You'll see your text layer as a bar. Drag the left or right ends of that bar to control when the text appears and how long it stays on screen. Aim for a duration that's easy to read, often 2 to 4 seconds, depending on the length of your phrase. Duplicate that text by copying and pasting it. This keeps style and sizing consistent. In the timeline, drag the second text layer so it starts right after the first one ends. This creates a clean, sequential reveal. With the second text selected on the canvas, edit the wording, then update its color if you want visual variety while maintaining contrast. Copy and paste one more time to create a third text element. In the timeline, drag this third bar to begin after the second finishes, continuing the sequence. If your background is a video or an image with a set duration, adjust its timeline bar as well so it spans the entire sequence. Make sure the background and text layers are aligned. No gaps and no unintended overlaps. Edit the third text on the canvas and change its color to round out the set. When everything looks lined up, click Preview at the top to watch your full sequence. If any text feels too quick or too long, return to the timeline and nudge the bar edges until the pacing feels right. And that's it. You've adjusted text and element timing in Canva for a smooth, professional result.